Hey everybody, Eric here with Spartan Auto Works. Today we're working on an 04 SL500. I've already started the password calculation, doing smart mode, add a key. This car had an interesting deal where it had a missing EIS. It was a repossession. Anyway, we're doing an add a key here, and we're just a couple minutes in, so we'll come back and follow up and see how long this takes. So we're back. Password calculated, less than 10 minutes, 6 minutes 55, or we're at 6:55 on the clock. So you'll have to go back and do the math because I don't pay attention. So rest of this pretty simple. Click OK. Insert the key into the EIS and wait for 30 seconds. This thing's a mess. Key in. Should put a maintainer on this. It's kind of got a weak battery, but I like to live dangerously, like I tell you guys in probably every video. All right, password calculation complete. Press OK to return the key addition process. So we'll hit OK. Generating the key file, please wait. So we'll take our blank key, set it in the IR keyhole. Please insert the blank key, click OK, detecting the key. Writing the key file. Key addition completed. After pressing OK, check to see if the new key can start the car. So we're gonna take our new key. We'll pull our old key. Take our new key. I want to see the light. There's a light on that key. Looks like the light went out. Try to start it. Oh, it's gonna start. Hey Ryan?
That's the car.
Okay, so key addition works. We'll go back to the original, just make sure the original is good. All right, so the original works. New key works. So another car, another Mercedes, less than 10 minutes, password calculation, no G-box used, key add smart mode.